5 people killed die when a Boeing cargo plane overshoots a runway on takeoff in Colombia then crashes field. 5 people have reportedly been killed after a Boeing cargo plane overshot the runway on takeoff just moments before crashing in a Colombia field on Tuesday. The plane, belonging to Colombian airliner Aerosucre, crashed in Puerto Carreño, Colombia, and was carrying 6 people on board, the pilot, co-pilot and crew members, Telesur TV reported. According to local media, 1 person survived. The plane crashed after leaving the German Olano airport, near the Venezuelan border. The witnesses captured dramatic footage of the flight overshooting the runway and struggling to gain altitude. At one point it appeared the plane may have hit the fence surrounding the airport. The footage then shows the Boeing 727 aircraft descending into the field and bursting into flames. The flight took off around 5:15 p.m. local time and crashed about 10 miles from the German Olano airport, some 3 minutes after takeoff, the Civil Aviation Authority said in a statement. Cesar Arujana, Director of National Aid of Colombian Red Cross told Telesur TV that 2 people have been rescued alive. One of the individuals rescued alive died at a hospital, while 4 others died at the scene. It is not yet known what caused the accident, but an investigation is ongoing.